Next. Look, this is your experience.
Doctor, hello. I don't know what I have. It's something very strange.
Sure, wait a minute. I seem like an allergy. What were you doing before?
I don't know. In my house, I sleep and start sleep all the time.
Okay, miss. I think if you smell the dust, you will allergy all the time.
I want to smell the dust anymore.
But I think that it's not only the dust.
What? Are you sure?
You will make feathers, you will have allergy.
Doctor, I will have an allergy if I smell the feathers more.
Yes, I recommend you to take medicine.
Doctor, no te voy.
¿Por qué no hagas que seguirte?
Cuando yo te haga algo. Hello,
No, otra vez.
hello, doctor.
Güero, tem as medidas, a garota relendo, e o abundante.
Passo bem, sou.